So hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about top 15 colleges which you can apply through NMAT 2026. Right? To all those students जो कि CAT 2026 aspirants हैं या फिर CAT 2026 aspirant नहीं हैं, MBA aspirant है, 2027 में enroll करना चाहते हैं, they must be given a lot of entrance examinations and out of them, one of them is NMAT. So ऐसे कौन से colleges हैं जो accept करते हैं? We're going to talk about that. So we're going to start with the very first list of colleges, which includes colleges like NMIMS Mumbai, right? You have XIM Bhubaneswar, right? And यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ है, अगर आप ऑनलाइन चेक करेंगे तो आपको एक और कॉलेज दिखेगा called NMIMS Bangalore. But I'll be really honest you, we cannot call it a tier 1 category college because ये 14 लिखते हैं but 9-10 लाख से ज़्यादा का पैकेज नहीं है. And that's what I said, you know. मैंने इसको लिस्ट में सिर्फ इसीलिए रखा है बिकॉज आपको मैं समझा सकूं कि जो पैकेज दिखा है और जो रियल में है दोनों में फ़र्क होता है. सो ऑब्वियसली NMIMS मुंबई, XIM and even NMIMS Navi Mumbai, they have 2 campuses. This is also a good option to consider, right? So finance and marketing के लिए NMIMS Mumbai is a decent college, but the batch size is 800 around. XIM Bhubaneswar known for HR and math accept करता है. 230 प्लस का स्कोर, 240 प्लस मैंने इस साल NMIMS 235 232 पे भी कन्वर्ट होते हुए देखा है. एंड NMIMS का नवी मुंबई जो कि और थोड़े कम स्कोर पे कन्वर्ट होता है. फाइनेंस, IT सिस्टम एंड ऑल दैट. Now we'll be moving to the second list of colleges which you can target through NMAT. अब इस लिस्ट में KJ Somaiya is one of those colleges जो accept करता है. तापनी Manipal is one of those colleges जो accept करता है. KJ का एवरेज पैकेज 12 लाख का है, तापनी का एवरेज पैकेज 14 लाख का है. सबकी फीस वेरी करती है, ये मुंबई में है. तो लोकेशन, whenever students look for colleges, there are multiple parameters. The placement, the kind of investment you're making, location, किस स्पेशलाइजेशन के लिए कॉलेज अच्छा है, किसका क्या ब्रांड वैल्यू है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे शॉर्टलिस्ट. सो लेट्स इन केस अगर आप कंफ्यूज हैं that what should I do as per my profile, as per my NMAT score, how should I target the right option, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोफाइल एनालिसिस फॉर्म है, फिल करके आप डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं, राइट? अब इस लिस्ट में अगेन वी हैव फ्यू मोर ऑप्शंस व्हिच इज IFMR Chennai. It is in Sri City. College is known for finance. The average is around 12-13 lakh rupees. Then we have NMIMS Hyderabad. Hyderabad के साथ आप बैंगलोर भी रख सकते हैं. It is pretty similar, but the average packages have some inflation. तो तेरा लिखा है तो तेरा है नहीं. That what I said. Whenever you're looking for colleges, please do cross check the real placements की real average package क्या है. And you have SDA Bocconi with an average package of again 9 to 10 lakh rupees. So far we have discussed colleges like NMIMS Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and I think XIM Bhubaneswar. These were the 3 colleges. Then we discussed for KJ and we discussed for Tapmi. That were like 5 options. Then 6 stands for IFMR, NMIMS Hyderabad and Bangalore. Then SDA Bocconi, right? So these are few options. Score to score चीज़ें वेरी करती हैं, राइट? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि NMIMS हैदराबाद ज़्यादा बेहतर है, IFMR कम अच्छा है. रियल प्लेसमेंट चेक करो, बट ऑब्वियसली IFMR इज बेटर देन NMIMS हैदराबाद एंड definitely, you know, NMIMS Bangalore. Now if I talk about again few options, तो includes colleges like SOIL. ये भी 11 लाख का एवरेज क्लेम करते हैं, 9 से 10 लाख का एवरेज है, राइट? Great Lakes do accept. Their average is also around 11 lakh rupees. So these are few options. But again, अगर ये दोनों colleges साथ में हैं, it doesn't mean Great Lakes is better than SOIL at any point of time. But SOIL after Great Lakes, you know, if you want to consider any colleges through NMAT, you know, you can keep, you know, SOIL also in your list. So these are few options. इस साल बहुत सारे colleges के reviews काफ़ी वाइब्रेंट थे. मतलब हर साल रिव्यूज फ्लक्चुएट होते हैं. व्हेन आई इंटरेक्ट विद स्टूडेंट्स, आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट, you know, you are investing 20-25 lakh rupees, make sure the colleges you're targeting reality check करो, then enroll करो. Now comes to some tier 3 category colleges, tier 2, tier 3 category colleges. Boxen, BML Munjal, Alliance University, right? इसमें आप अंडर 200 भी देख सकते हैं. ISBR, IBS Hyderabad, right? So which colleges fit for you? Want the highest package, NMIMS Mumbai या फिर So, won the highest package, NMIMS Mumbai, SPJN, but that is through CAT. Best fees package, right? NMIMS Hyderabad, low fee strong package. HR specialization, XIM Bhubaneswar, need a safe backup. I don't think so. These are safe backup. You still have a lot of better options. I again said, ये college भी अच्छा हो सकता है, ये भी अच्छा हो सकता है, but it totally depends on your profile. So, boss, if you really want to know that what are the right options as per my budget, location, specialization, form है, fill करके details ले सकते हो. So, this is me, Arshika, signing off. मिलते हैं एक और episode के साथ.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.